Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. Today I'm making an easy build DIY. This video is in collaboration with Ashleigh Lauren. I love watching her channel. I've watched her since I started YouTube. She builds all sorts of things and she's easy to follow on her DIYs. They're budget friendly. She does furniture makeovers. You definitely need to check her channel out if you don't know who she is already. Her link is down below in my description box. Head on over to her video for her easy build DIY after you are done here, and that link is down below in the description box as well. Now if you're coming over here from Ashleigh's channel, or if you're just new and finding me, welcome. I'd love to have you stick around by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Now today I'm going to be making a farmhouse entryway boot tray. You could put this in your entryway, mudroom, your garage, anywhere that you take off your boots when they're wet, so that way you have somewhere to leave them so they can dry off and you don't get your floor all dirty. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take a 1x4 by 8 foot board from Home Depot, and I'm going to cut 3 pieces out of it that are 24 inches long. I will have an extra piece left over, so I'm going to take that extra piece and I'm going to cut 2 more pieces out of that measure 9.5 inches long. Next, I took another 1x4 by 8 foot board from Home Depot, and they only cost a couple dollars a piece. And I cut 2 pieces that were 25.5 inches long, and then 2 more pieces that were 10 1/8 inch long. Now I will have all the supplies in the cut list listed below in the description box for you guys. Next, I just sanded each piece on the edges to sand down where I had cut at, so the pieces would be smooth. Now I'm going to stain each piece that I cut in the color Briarsmoke. I love this stain. It's like a smoky brown gray stain, and I actually got this color idea off of Ashleigh Lauren. She uses this on some of her projects in her videos, and I just love the way they turned out, so I thought that this would be perfect to use. That's kind of all the stain that I use now because I just love this color. After the stain dried for about an hour or so, it was time to build the tray. So I'm laying the 3 24-inch pieces out horizontally, and then I'm going to take those 2 9.5-inch pieces that I cut and lay those vertical across those boards to make the bottom of my tray. And then I just nailed them in with some 1-inch nails in my nail gun. Then next I'm going to take those 2 pieces that I cut at 10 1/8 inch long, and those are going to be the short sides of my tray. So I just placed those along those sides and used 2-inch nails to secure those in. The last 2 pieces that I have are the 25.5-inch pieces, and those are going to be the long sides of this tray, and I just used 2-inch nails to nail those into the bottom of the tray. Now I wanted this tray to be movable so I could move it around my entryway where we needed it to be at. So I picked up these casters from Home Depot. They come in a pack of 4, but unfortunately they don't come with the screws. So I only have 4 screws on hand, so each one of them got 1 screw, and I'll fix the rest of the screws later on. But I just screwed them down to the 4 corners on the bottom. I decided that it did need a handle, so I picked up one of these $1.50 handles at Home Depot and just screwed it into the middle of the box. The last step was just to seal this. I already had the Thompson's water seal available, but you could use polyurethane or Never Wet, whatever you would like. I just sprayed it all down, and that was it. My easy build farmhouse boot tray was finished. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Ashleigh's video, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.